Let's attempt a 4th of July makeup look using the Toy Story palette from Colourpop. I have an idea. I'm not sure how well this will work out, but let's try it anyways. I'm going to start with the white color and just put it all over my eyelid just as a base. There's our base. Next, I'm going to take this red and we're going to start it like on this part. I did not mean for it to go like so much to the inner corner, so maybe don't do that. So there's the red. I guess it's okay. For the white, I'm going to use the Forky Jelly Much eyeshadow, but I think I'm going to do that after the blue because it's going to be kind of like in the middle part, but then I'm going to try to put it over all of the colors just as like an iridescent finish. So see how that works. And next is blue, and typically I would probably pick this really pretty kind of royal blue, but I think I'm going to go for the lighter blue just because the outfit I'm going to be wearing this with is like a dark navy blue shirt, so I think this might be kind of pretty to do this color. Oh, actually that might not show up as much. So here's what we have so far. I decided to use the Colourpop shadow sticks. This is in the color Cold Girl, and I'm gonna do some kind of like in the middle where I should, oh no, now it's getting red. Maybe don't do this. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my finger and then kind of put it in where the white should go. Yeah, this wasn't a very good idea. Oopsie. Now I'm gonna take the Jelly Much eyeshadow. It's like white-ish. I think I'll start with putting it like between the two colors. And now I'm just gonna put it like on all the colors. Here's what that looks like so far. It does take away some of the color, just FYI. Oops. I don't think that looks too bad, but it's looking more just like red than anything else. I guess I'll do this like up here too. And then for mascara, we're going to use Colourpop Cosmetics in the color Nola, and it's kind of a blue-ish color. Okay, so now that I've made this mess, here comes the tricky part. We'll see how this works. I don't know. I thought it might be kind of cute to make some little firecrackery type things with the Colourpop liquid liners. And I have red, white, and blue. The red is called Try Me, white is Graceland, and the blue is Crazy, like crazy but without the A. So we're gonna try this. I think it would probably be best to try it with white first, like a felt tip like that. I tell you, like, this could be terrible, but we're gonna give it a try. We'll see how this goes. And I just want to make it be like, you know, like whenever you draw like a firework and it's just kind of like pew, 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 pew kind of deal. That's what we're trying for. Like this kind of like little lines. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's like, I just wanted to test out. And then I feel like you could go in with the different colors and like put them like in between. So just kind of like pew, 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 pew. Oh, wait, this is actually turning out really good. A lot better than I was expecting. And then just like pew. This one was kind of old, I think. Okay, wait, that actually turned out really good. I love whenever you try something and you're not quite sure it's gonna work out and then you like actually turns out pretty cute. So let's do like another small one kind of like down here, I think, like right here. And you just want to do some just like little lines. That's all I'm doing. They don't have to be perfect, just kind of fun. I can't believe this is actually working. Like, do you see that? Now don't wait, we will add some glitter, so just hold on. You could also add some little like dots around it, would be kind of cute, I think. Okay, now here's the real test. Let's do it on the other side. I'm like, probably you're not gonna get a very good view of this one because I'm gonna be like looking at the mirror. Too bad. It's not too bad. And then we'll do another smaller one. And here's our little firework eyeliner thing. Then I also have this Tarte Go With The Faux, and it's a like star, but it's like a little stamper. It has like little stars. I will say I'm not sure you can still buy this. I think it might be sold out. But I'm gonna put that like kind of like around it, kind of, sort of. Yes, oh my goodness, perfect. Can you see them? Kind of. So after it's dried, I need to go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I realized that the blue kind of got really faded away. So I think I'm gonna go back and do this kind of darker blue, just to give it some more. Doesn't have to be like super dark, just to kind of bring the blue back in. I think that's good enough. And now it's time for glitter. Ooh, using this Colourpop glitter. I think I'm gonna start like putting it just kind of like here, and then I will like kind of work it into where the fireworks are. I don't want to like cover them completely. Maybe just put some like kind of like around them, but I just don't want to, I mean, it shouldn't smudge because they are dry, but I just don't want to ruin them since they turned out so cute. And you want to be kind of gentle because like you don't, like I said, you don't want to smudge them. Okay, so I'm going to put some like right around it so I can maybe, oh, yes. You see it? It's glittery now. Okay, I just had a little idea. I'm going to go back in with the white eyeliner and try to make like a little Mickey head. See how this works. It's kind of like right here. Cute. Let's do it on the other side. There we go. I like that. Last but not least, let's do some lip gloss, and this is the Jessie lip gloss from the Toy Story collection. I like this color, it's pretty. And here is my 4th of July makeup look. Hope you have a great day and a safe 4th, and make sure you subscribe if you love Disney.